Good morning, Year 3. It's Mrs. Collins here today with your maths lesson. Please pause the video to give yourself time to write today's short date and learning objective. To multiply by 3. Press play when you're ready to start. We're going to start off with an addition problem including money this morning. Let's read it together and see if you can have a go in your home learning book. Read along with me. At the school fair, Kiva buys a toy for 70p. Which of these coins could she use to pay for the toy without getting any change? Okay, let's underline the key information. So we know that Kiva buys a toy for 70p, and we want to know which coins she can use out of the ones they've given. We've got 50p, 10p and 20p. She doesn't have any change. Pause the video and see if you can work out which coins Kiva pays with. Is there more than one way she could pay? Investigate and press play when you're ready to go through your answers. Welcome back, Year 3. I hope you've worked out how Kiva paid for her toy. Let's have a look at some combinations. She could have paid with a 50p and a 20p, because 50 add 20 equals 70p without change. Give yourself a tick if that was one of the ways you suggested. She could have paid with 50p and two 10p coins. 50, 60, 70. 70p without change. Give yourself a tick if you got that right. She could have paid with 20p's and one 10p to give her 20, 40, 60, 70p. She could have paid with two 20p's and some 10p coins. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70p without change. She could have paid with one 20p coin and the rest in tens. 20p 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Give yourself a tick if you got that combination. She could have paid with just 10p's alone. 10, 20, count along with me, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. All of these combinations would allow Kiva to pay for her toy without receiving any change. Well done if you got all of them. Write these up neatly in your maths book for your teacher to check. Well done, let's move on. For our skills sharp this morning, we're looking at fact families. The question asks you to complete the part-whole model and the fact family to match. You can see we've got a part-whole model here with a question. We've got 8 add 6. Can you work that out brain only? If not, you could use the number line. And put a dot on 8 and count on 6 more. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 add 6 equals 14. Using this information, can you fill out this fact family in your book? Pause the video and press play when you've got your answers. Welcome back, Year 3. Let's have a look. Using this information, we know 8 plus 6 equals 14. We know 6 plus 8 equals 14. We know that 14 subtract 6 equals 8. And we know that 14 take away 8 equals 6. Did you get those right? Well done. It seems you're working really hard this morning. Let's see if you can have a go independently. On the board, there's 3 Chilli challenges with the part-whole model. Draw this neatly into your book and then complete the fact family with 2 addition facts and 2 subtraction facts. Pause the video and press play when you're ready to go through your answers. Welcome back, Year 3. I hope you've had a go at these challenges in your book. Let's have a look at the mild one together. 4 add 3 equals 7. Did you write the fact family? Tick off your answers as we go through. You should have got 4 add 3 equals 7, 3 add 4 equals 7, 7 take away 3 equals 4, and 7 take away 4 equals 3. You can see that the fact family uses just these 3 numbers to do the addition and subtraction sums. Let's have a look at the second challenge. Seven plus 5 equals 12. Did you write the fact family? Let's have a look. 5 plus 7 equals 12. 7 add 5 equals 12. 12 subtract 7 equals 5. 12 take away 5 equals 7. And again, fact family has only those 3 numbers. Did you have a go at the hot challenge? Well done if you gave it a go. Let's have a look at the answers together. You will have worked out that 9 plus 8 equals 17. Let's have a look at the fact family together. 9 add 8 equals 17. 8 add 9 equals 17. 17 take away 8 equals 9. And 17 subtract 9 equals 8. Great work, Year 3. We can't wait to see these calculations in your book. I think we've got our brains warmed up ready to start our maths. Pop your pencil down and get ready to listen. Our new learning today will be learning how to multiply by 3. I'd like us to start off by practicing our 3 times table. How confident are you with your 3s? I'd like you to spend a few minutes practicing them. So pause the video, write your 3 times table in your home learning book, and have a go at reading them out loud. You might choose to chant them with some dance moves, or jump up and down, or say them in a whisper, or say them in a slow voice. Whatever you choose, have a practice, and then see if you can work out the answers to these calculations at the side. Press play when you're ready to go through. Welcome back, Year 3. I hope you've had fun practicing your 3 times table. Did you have a go at these sums? Let's mark them together. 4 times 3 is 12. 7 times 3 is 21. Say them along with me. 9 times 3 is 27. 2 times 3 is 6. 12 times 3 is 36. Well done, we're ready to move on. Have a look at the picture on the board. How many groups of 3 have we got all together? I'm going to use the number line to help me. Starting from 0, and I'm going to use the picture to count up in 3s. I've got 1 lot of 3 cookies, 2 lots of 3 cookies, 3 lots of 3 cookies, 3, 6, 9. So this picture shows us that 3 lots of 3 cookies equals 9. Let's have a look at another challenge. What does the picture show us this time? We've got some pencils in their pots. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of pencils. I'm going to use the number line to help me count up in 3, starting from 0. 1 group of pencils, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups. 6 groups of 3. Let's count with me. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. This shows us that 3 times 6, or 6 times 3, equals 18. Let's have a look at the last picture. Oh, we've got an array this time. Maybe we can count these together. In one row, we've got 3 counters. Let's count up in threes. 3, 6, 9, 12. So we had 4 lots of 3 and the answer was 12. This picture shows us that 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12. Pause the video if you'd like to go through those again. If that makes sense, let's move on. Have a look at this picture. What do you see? There are equal groups of Can you complete that sentence in your book and finish the calculations? Press play when you're ready to go through your answers. Well done. We can see there's 1, 2, 3. There are 3 equal groups of 1, 2, 3, 3 cupcakes. This was an addition sum. It would say 3 cupcakes, add 3, add another 3 cupcakes equals 3, 6, 9. 9 cupcakes altogether. How would we write that as a multiplication? 3 lots of 3 cupcakes equals 9. Let's see if you can have a go yourself. Pause the video and see if you can answer these sentences and multiplication and addition facts in your book. Press play when you're ready to go through the answers. Welcome back, Year 3. Let's see what you got. This time we've got bags of pears. How many bags? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 equal groups of 3 pears in each one. So if we're adding that up together, we'd add the pears in each bag. 3, add 3, add 3, add 3, add 3. Let's count up in threes together. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. There are 15 pears altogether. How would we write that as a multiplication? Well, there's 5 lots of 3 pears. And the answer was 15. Can we write that a different way? That's right, we could switch the numbers round. 3 times 5 equals 15. Super, you're working really hard, Year 3. Let's move on. On the board you can see a diagram with the sum here, 2 times 3 equals 6. We can represent this calculation in different ways. We could draw it by doing a circle and dots. 2 times 3 equals 6. We could do it as an addition sentence. Add them together. 3 add 3 equals 6. We could do it as a bar model. 3 add 3 equals 6. And we could do it as a number story. This is an example. There are 2 pots with 3 flowers in each. You can see that each one of these representations shows us that 2 lots of 3 equals 6. I've gone through everything you're going to be asked to do on today's learning task. So open your learning pack, you'll see a sheet that looks like this. Choose your challenge and write your calculations out neatly in your book. If you get stuck, don't forget to email your teachers at the Year 3 email address. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson and I'll see you tomorrow for more fun in maths. Have a great day!